Hello everyone, welcome again to 𝐂𝐟𝐥𝐞𝐱 webinar series. Today's topic is about AI-powered engagement strategies, from quizzes to scenario-based learning. Today's speaker is Mr. Shahrizul. So, without further ado, over to you Mr. Shah.
Are all still there? May I continue?
Yes.
Okay, alright. So, where were we? So the HTML file has been downloaded, right? But you cannot just simply use the HTML file to be exported into your Moodle. So what do? I will have to zip it into Chrome. So what do we do? So you open your ChatGPT, okay, and then
Shah,
yeah.
did you share the screen?
Oh, sorry Doktor, Najwa. Okay. Kejap Pak. Alright, Doctor. Thank you, Dr. Tina. So, what do you want to do next is, you just upload your HTML file to ChatGPT, and then ask it to zip it into COM 1.2. Now, you might be wondering why I cannot use the Gemini, because the Gemini will give the raw code. Gemini did not want to give it in a zip file. So that is the why I use ChatGPT here. So just simply wait for the ChatGPT to give the zip file. All right. Okay, so ChatGPT has done its job. You just download it, and then we will go to the 𝐂𝐿𝐵. So usual activity and resources, but instead of using your common tools, we are going to use Scrum package here. All right. So I will just name this as quiz base, and then the package, we will use the zip file that we have downloaded earlier. Okay. So the completion condition here I will not touch, because it depends on what you want what you want the students to complete. So I will just use save and display here. So tada, here is your games. So I want to show you why I want to use the Scrum. Okay. So I will just I will repeat lepas ni Doktor. I will repeat. We will go to the next game and I will repeat the process, because the process is the same, only the prompt is different. So I just simply do the activity here. All right. So, okay. When you see the report, it should have your score here. Wait, where is mine? Yeah, here. I only got 20%. So that is the benefits of Scrum, right? If you use the raw HTML file, so it will not link to your Moodle report. Okay. All right. So let me repeat the game, the process with game, right? Okay. So I will just go to new chat here. I will go to the, I think I want to go to the game number 3 here, okay? Right. Okay. Just copy the prompt. Okay. And then for the information, I have my own information that I have filled here. Okay. All right. So just paste it. Okay. And then you have to remember to click the canvas, yeah, before you create the game. Right? It takes a while. Okay. So when your game is visible here, so you just download the HTML. And then from the HTML, you convert it into the Scrum zip file. Okay. I will just use the same prompt. Yeah, doctor. Because you are using ChatGPT free, so yeah, there has a limit. All right. So when the file is have been zipped by ChatGPT, so you just I repeat the step in ellipse. So activity or resources, you go to the Scrum package. Okay. So you need to rename and then uploaded the package. This one. Belum di-download kah? Introduction to mini. Oh. Even I have limit. Um. All right. So I think what has happened is because I use the same chat here, the game just the ChatGPT just zip the same HTML as before. So you see this is not the game that I have created. Because this is the game that has been created earlier. So this is the game that have been created. The updated game that has been created. So that is the limitation here. So don't repeat my mistake. Tiap kali you want to zip the file, you have to use the new chat. Okay. Since my GPT has its limit, I need to use my own ChatGPT. Wait, I stop sharing first. Okay, all right. I have my own ChatGPT here, ChatGPT Go. So just use the same the same method that I have been shared earlier. So this is the game, the story based.
Shah,
Yeah.
share screen.
Lupa. Sorry, Doctor. All right. I repeat. So this is my ChatGPT Go. So repeat the same process earlier. So we will be using. I don't want to be confused. So we will be using the Malaysian history, which is story-based game, and then just simply type 1.2. All right. So just simply download it. Okay. That is the right one. So go to the elip. I want to delete this. Okay. Now, nampak? Baik. Kejap. Okay. Sorry, a bit of technical issues. Okay. So can you see my elite page here? Okay. So just the same step. All right. We use the Scrum package, and then this is the story base, and uploaded the package here, right? All right. So the game has been successfully exported, right? So I want to show you the last game, okay? Which is the scenario based. For the other two games that I have left, because it is the same, it has the same, you will use the same method to export it, just the prompt is different. So let me go to our last game here. Okay. And remember, always go to, if you want to create a new game, a new chat, all right? Because we don't want to repeat the mistake that I have did earlier, especially if you have the ChatGPT free, yeah, for it has the limit. I think only 3. You can only zip 3 files if you have ChatGPT free. So I will use the information that I have earlier. Okay. And then as always, don't forget to go to the canvas mode and then ask the Gemini to create the game. All right. So if this error message appear, you just click the fix error, yeah, until it disappear completely. All right. So as you can see, there are no error message. So this is good to go. So as usual, you download the HTML file. Okay. Now we are going to ChatGPT. Okay. Where is my... Sekejap ah. Okay. Alright. As I said earlier, don't repeat my mistake. We will have to go to a new chat. So upload your HTML to a new chat. Right? Okay. Alright, sorry. A bit of confusion because the ChatGPT has renamed it similar to the game that I have created earlier. So this is the correct one. Alright. So zip it into Alright, so you download this file. And then we will go to the elib. Okay. So as usual, activity or resource and Scrum package. So this is scenario based. And then uploaded the files, the zip files. All right. So we are done. Okay. So as you can see, there will be many technical issues that you will be facing when creating this game, and also there will be steps that you have to repeat, you have to remember. But the upside it is you can create this kind of interactive game for your students. All right. Okay, I think that is all from me.
Shah, can you
Yeah,
show
okay.
the game, the outcome, the last one?
The outcome of the game, kah?
Yeah.
Doctor, you want me to play the game and show the outcome, kah?
Yeah, is it take time?
No lah. Sekejap ah. Sekejap. Okay, this one kan. Alright. Alright. Okay, so for this scenario based, you can see if I answer incorrectly, it will reduce my total score here. So when I submit, okay, there should be my score has been reported in the Moodle report. Okay, yeah, so this one. So okay, Doctor? Terima.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, Doctor. So thank you all. I pass it to the moderator. If you have any question, please do so. Ask.
Okay, thank you, Shah.
Yeah.
So with that, it concludes our webinar for today. So we now open for Q&A. If you have any question, feel free to type in the chat box. Also, you can unmute yourself if you have any question. You too can contact Mr. Shahrizul for any further inquiries on this topic. Shah might want to leave his email in the chat box here.
All right. I want to say something here. Our center can cater the training for you. If you want it to be in face to face, we can cater for the training on these types of training lah. If you have any, if you want to conduct a training, you want to jemput instructional designer such as me or Nina, you can contact our deputy director. Yeah. We will have a face-to-face series with the Faculty of Engineering in September. So yeah, just want to let it out. Okay, so the one who wants to do the MC, you can also contact us if you want a training, more training on this kind of courses. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Shah. Thank you also to all participants. See you next time.